Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is currently Wednesday, April 21st. It's 7:45 in the morning. We're currently getting ready to go to school. I just slept in braids last night, which I haven't done in so long. Today should be a crazy fun but busy day because I have to film for a short film. We have to write for a short film. I had to call off of work so we could do this. Gonna go to the gym, and we're making churros in school today in culinary. Can you just admire how pretty the sun is through my windows in the morning? Like, it's beautiful. Like, look at the way it hits. I love it.
Bryan Little.
So here's my OOTD. I'm just wearing this oversized sweatshirt, which is from the Cape when I went to visit my family in Cape Sandblast. I didn't realize how big this sweatshirt is, but then I have some black airy leggings and then my Nike mid blazers. We're going comfy and warm today because it is supposed to be quite chilly. Also, my hair doesn't even look wavy. Like, there's just no point in me even trying. My hair will always just be like naturally stick straight, and there's nothing I can do about it. Chase and I are headed to school. The real question is, we'll see how late we are. Also, my seatbelt is like broken. I just don't know how to fix it. It's really long, and this is not normal, but it's fine. I just drive with it like this anyways. I have math class, which I probably won't vlog in because it's dead silent and extremely awkward. And then we go to culinary and we're making churros, so. Okay guys, we're in culinary now. Jack is right there, and we're gonna make churros. What?
And donuts.
And oh, I forgot about donuts. We have to make donuts too. That's a lot of stuff.
One of us has to do lunch.
Yeah. So someone has to make donuts and someone has to make the churros. What do you want to do? The donuts?
I'll do the churros.
You want to do the churros?
Yeah.
Jack's gonna fry the churros, and I guess I'm gonna make the donuts.
Live and direct.
Live and direct, no?
Yo, guys, let's go! Come on, we're gonna make some donuts today. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Oh my gosh, that was good.
Yeah, I know, I'm a professional.
They met chef. Wash your hands. You never have paper towels. No, I found them. It just takes a second. That was intense. Okay, let's make some churros. Let's make it happen. Jack does not know what to do. Are you using that fryer? You have to make sure it's on. Wait till chef comes back. Here's our churros. Look at my heart one. Oh wait, that's so good. Now we just have to toss them in that. I think you have to put them in like butter first so it sticks, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, just hold it. It's recording.
Do you want me to
You're gonna
put...
be my paparazzi, okay?
Hey, how are you doing, my friend?
We're doing good. We're
Good.
making churros and cake donuts.
Oh my god, look at this. Check this stuff out.
Look at my cake donuts.
Ooh, look
Cake
at
donuts.
this.
Egg. Where's the trash? You moved it.
It's right there, dude. It's
Oh,
right
I
there.
saw that. Never mind.
I can't believe this. Can you believe this?
No.
You can't believe this either. Look at this, how awesome this is. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
I'm lightly
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You can just set it right there.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.
I love paparazzi. Here are our donut holes that we're about to go fry. Jack just made the icing that we dyed pink. It's very pretty. And then here are our churros, like you saw. These are actually pretty good. A little scared about these. Yeah, why can't I fry?
Because I said so.
Those look good, actually.
Yeah, see? Talking so much shit.
Look at my donut holes.
Oh my god.
Look at all my holes, Steph.
That's a lot of holes.
They're frying. Look at them.
It's a fry.
Chef Weber was in my vlogs.
Alright, I'll do it.
Okay, wait, can I be in it? Yeah, hi guys, we're in the morning show now, and a bunch of our friends showed up for class today, finally, because normally it's just us. Where's Avery? Avery, get in this. Get in this vlog. Guys, this gives me freshman year vibes. I'm like Grayson Sam Meisner! This is our film. Put your mask on, you're gonna get us canceled. You're gonna get canceled.
Hi.
How people supposed to see my stats?
Nobody wants to see your stats. We can't get Grayson to put his mask on, but
What?
He's built this.
That's outrageous.
it is not outrageous. You literally said no.
Where even is it? Katie, you took my mask.
Right there.
Found it. Footage of me putting on my mask.
Thank you.
Which way?
There we go.
Oh.
Oh, look. Couple goals. Couple goals, not Jamie.
Get some of this water.
That's my water.
Oh.
We just wrote our entire script during this class and edited it. Avery wrote the entire script.
We didn't do a thing.
We didn't do it.
Katie
We just
didn't
listened.
do anything.
Are you kidding me? This is the last class of the day. We're all gonna go home and then come back to the school.
No, lift it up.
I'm just never gonna be able to talk.
I'm coming to sit next to it.
Can I finish talking, please?
Yes. I'm just gonna sit here.
We're gonna go home, break, everybody get equipment, get ready to film, and then we have to come back to school at 3:30 to film for our video. And you have to remember all your camera stuff.
I'm gonna forget it all, so we can't do our video.
Jeez. So I'm obviously home from school. It's 12:20 and I just changed into gym clothes because I'm gonna go to the gym before we have to go back to school to film. Like I told y'all this morning, I normally work Wednesday, but I called off for the first time. I've never called off work. In the months I've been working there, I've never called off before. So I was like, yeah, I actually have to film this project. Normally I go to the gym after work every day, like at night, but because I have time today, I'm gonna go earlier. Plus I like going earlier anyway. But Wednesdays are normally my active rest day, which I typically do cardio and core. But I don't know, today I might hit legs, just do a little legs. I mean, I probably won't lift like heavy because it is supposed to be an active rest day and you need rest days for your muscles to recover, but I can show you guys what I'm wearing. I've been loving like big t-shirts at the gym. It just makes me feel so much more like secure. Big t-shirt is the move. This one was just thrifted. You've probably seen it in a thrift vlog before. I just got these new Nike Pros. They're like blue and I really like them a lot. They're so cute. And I just kind of tucked my shirt into my Nike Pros. I'm just wearing my Vans, and then when I do cardio, I change into running shoes, obviously, but I'll put my hair up as well. And then, of course, if I get too sweaty or anything, you can always take off your shirt, and I'm just wearing a white sports bra underneath. I'm actually gonna drink a new Alani Nu drink. This is not sponsored, as you guys know. I'm just obsessed with Alani Nu. My favorite. I take their pre-workout energy drinks, protein powder, protein bars. It's all amazing, and they just launched these and sent them over to me, and I love this flavor. They launched these for like their 420 collab, which I think is hilarious, and they're called Trippy Hippie, but they are just energy drinks. The packaging is literally the cutest ever. But look how pretty this is. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be my pre-workout for today because it is an active rest day, so I shouldn't have to do too much, but it's so hot in my car, so I'm gonna roll down these windows, except it's literally 50 degrees out, so I'm really confused. Georgia weather is just bipolar. There's a lot of copyright music right now, but it's been about an hour and 45 minutes and I just finished my normal workout. I ran a fast mile as like my cardio and warm up just because, I don't know, I wasn't really feeling cardio. And I actually did legs, not heavy legs, because I normally hit heavy legs 2 times a week. I love when the gym plays good music. Okay, let's do a little abs.
Yeah.
Gym, and my favorite gym guy that works there, he hasn't been there as often as he used to be when I first started going like months ago, and he just talked to me for like 10 minutes and he's like, are you training for a bodybuilding competition? And when I tell you that is the best compliment I have ever gotten, he's like, you're going real hard recently, I see it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like best compliment ever. Like if you compliment me on seeing progress and all the hard work I put in, that makes me so happy. He's asking me about like my summer plans. He was like, are you going on tour? Because he knows about my YouTube. And I was like, oh my gosh, no, I wish. I never finished my Alani Nu. I normally finish it before, so I'm gonna drink this. I am so sweaty, as you can see. I took down my hair to like air it out. A bunch of our actors for our film are texting, and they're all my friends. They're all football players. I need to hurry up, so we're headed home, but I just thought I'd share because that made my day. I feel like I've done 4,000 outfit changes, but all I did was put on sweatpants and this like zip up because I'm going to be freezing, and I'm just gonna zip it up if I need to. This is the same workout top that I was wearing to the gym because I don't have time for this. I made protein balls yesterday, and they do in fact say Caitie's do not touch because I made separate ones for me and my family, because if I just make one batch, my family will eat the whole thing in one day. So I made myself ones with protein powder, so they're different like recipes. I'm definitely gonna be late to shooting at the school because it's already 3:15. School gets out at 3:30. So if I'm going there when everybody's leaving, I just know I'm gonna get stuck in traffic. So I'm just embracing it now. Sorry guys, I'll be there soon. I'm gonna eat my protein ball. Yeah? It's tweak. It's a little windy. Tyler, you wanna be my vlog? This is one of our actors. Sam, main actor. Jamie, just there.
I'm editor.
Jamie and I, editors. You chilly? You gonna record?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. Is this still recording?
Tyler, you're not even taller than me. Why are you saying that? They stole my sock. Guys, I'm sockless. Show me your phone. Tyler, show me your phone.
Your camera?
He begs me to pay for his phone to get refixed every day. Okay, but whose fault is it that he broke it?
Not mine.
Broke what?
His phone. And every day he tells me, Katie, you should buy me a new screen.
No.
Yes. Okay guys, that filming was absolutely chaotic. It took 2 hours for one scene, but we finally got it done and I'm happy with it. All those people are all my friends at school. We all cheer and play football together or in film class. It is now 5:30 and my mom's birthday is actually tomorrow. It's Carrie's birthday and we're celebrating her tomorrow, but I want to get a bunch of things for her. This will be out after her birthday, so everybody wish Carrie a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you. But I'm gonna get her some flowers, balloons, and some gifts. My dad needs me to pick up a few things for her and then I'm gonna get her stuff. So let's go shopping. My day has been so busy already and I don't even have work, which is crazy because normally I would have just been working this entire time and for still like 2 more hours. I low-key might quit my job and get a new one, LOL. Bryan's calling. Whilst I pull out of the school parking lot, I'll give you guys some little juicy details. Basically, I've been coaching gymnastics for like ever, and that's my job if you guys haven't been keeping up with me. I like coaching gymnastics a lot. Like, it's really fun for me, and I grew up doing gymnastics and cheer my entire life. So it's not like complicated of a job, but it's a lot of work, and the hours that I work are like in the middle of the day, which is like when I need to be doing like YouTube stuff or hanging out with friends, because I'm not able to do that because of like the hours that I work. Also, I've gotten so many more job opportunities, like actually like boutique opportunities, being a hostess, a server, so many options. So I think I might quit coaching gymnastics because I don't think it's like the perfect job for me. It's a good job. I would recommend it to a lot of people, but for my lifestyle, I don't think it's perfect, but I would highly recommend. I don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. And if I do, then I'm going to give them full 2 weeks notice, like do it the right way and everything. I'm headed to like the mall area, Target, Publix. So we'll see what we can find for my mommy there. Let's go shopping. I love shopping. All right, I finally made it home. It is now 7:30. That took me forever. I had to go into like 4 different places to find all the stuff for my mom, and I also got some things for me, but we're gonna do a huge haul of everything that I bought. For my mommy, first I got her a few things from Target, just like small things. So first I got this candle that she's gonna put in her office because it matches her office and it smells so good. It's nectarine mango and it's just really pretty orange color. And then I got her these 2 makeup products. I have this eyebrow pencil and she always like steals mine, so I got it for her. She doesn't like to wear like eyeshadow just because she doesn't know how to do it very well, but she likes putting just shimmer on her eyelids. So this NYX Jumbo pencil is just like a shimmery kind of champagne color, which are the colors she always uses. So she can literally just draw it on her eye and then like rub it in with her finger. So I thought those would be perfect and like really fun, simple little gifts. And then the main thing that I got her was from Dick's. I went into Dick's, of course, my favorite store. I was there 4 days ago where I got stuff for myself, but I got her another just Nike tank top. My mom lives in Nike workout tank tops. She's like me and we just love Nike, and this is like her perfect cup of tea. It's lightweight, it's comfy, it has like the tank top. So she has so many of these in so many different colors. They came out with this new like back where it has like this Nike like elastic right here, so I thought that was super cool and she would love it. I also got toothpaste because I ran out, Crest 3D White, love her. And I got some new protein bar flavors because I ran all out of mine, and I love Quest bars, but I haven't tried the like Quest crispy bars, and a bunch of people recommended these to me, so I got these to try. And then I wanted to try the pure protein bars because I heard these are really good. I tried one of these in the car. I think it's gross. I do not like this marshmallow one, would not recommend, but I do like cookies and cream stuff, and I love the Quest ones, so I thought I would try these. I'm always looking for new fun protein bar recommendations. Quest, Bear Bell, and Alani new ones are definitely my favorites, but I'll try these out and let you guys know how I think about them. And then I went into Publix and got some more stuff for my dad for my mom's birthday, a card, some treats to set out. He always like makes a cute little display, some of her favorite candies. I also picked up a bouquet of flowers, which is like his thing. My dad always gets flowers for all of us for our birthdays. And then we got 2 balloons. And I did look like a crazy person with these in my car. I drove past Jamie on the way home and she was like, Katie, you look crazy with these balloons. And I was like, yeah, I know. I also got my mom 2 different Celsius flavors to try from Publix because she's been asking to try some of my Celsius, and I'm out and I only drink the non-carbonated ones, and she actually likes carbonated stuff. So I got her 2 flavors to try. Peach Vibe, which I've actually never had, and then this is my favorite, raspberry acai green tea. That's gonna go into her like little small gifts from Katie, and that's the haul. I think I'm actually just gonna go sit in my bed and do homework and watch videos and chill because I am so exhausted. This day has been so crazy packed, and this is what my days normally look like, but I'm just tired, and at the end of the day, I just need to sit and lay down and relax for a second. So we'll do that. I probably won't do all that much tonight. It's like I said, it's already 7:30, so probably just homework and editing. That's what my days consist of. Okay guys, I'm literally exhausted. It's 10:30. I think I'm just going to get ready for bed and go to sleep. Feels like a Friday and we're only halfway through the week, but I have an even crazier day tomorrow. So I love you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a really fun, jam-packed, busy day, as you saw. If you want more vlogs, let me know because I love daily vlogging. It's definitely my favorite. Oh, Carrie's calling me.
Come up, I'll do your hair.
I like your shirt.
Sergio.
I don't want to walk all the way up the stairs.
You come up and give me a hug anyways.
My mom's gonna braid my hair because I can't braid my own hair, so she's gonna do it for me. But love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you have a wonderful day. Subscribe if you're new. Follow my other social medias, including my TikTok and Instagram. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.